Today I am going to show how to make this radial piston farm. I made it complete radial piston farm, but I will show part by part how to make this piston farm. At first I made it this casing. I already made a video for this casing. Now I will make this video for this piston block or piston rod. Then I will make this cam, then I will make assembly, or then I will make complete animation. Okay, let's start. Now go to this new and click part and just click OK. Yeah, now choose front plane and click sketch. Now sketch a center rectangle and sketch center rectangle, right click and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 54 millimeter. $45 millimeter and make this 60 millimeter. Click enter. Okay, now just select OK. Now go to feature, choose extrude boss, choose this mid plane and choose this 35 millimeter. Click enter, just click OK. Now see, now just select this face and click sketch. Now choose a circle, sketch circle and right click, select OK. And choose this 20 millimeter, just a smart dimension, choose this 20 millimeter, click enter. Now just right click and select OK. Now select this line, circle and click on this offset entity. Choose this 10 millimeter, just click OK. Now just go to feature and click extrude boss base. Just choose this blind and make it 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter, click enter. Choose merge result and just click OK. Now see, now select this face and click sketch and select this circle and click convert entity. Just go to feature, choose extrude cut, choose this blind, choose this 18 millimeter, click enter and just click OK. Now see, now select this face and click sketch. Go to this center rectangle, sketch center rectangle, right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make this 10 millimeter, click enter and make this 35 millimeter, click enter. OK, and right click and select OK. Now see, now go to feature, choose extrude cut, choose this direction through all, just see and just click OK. Now see, now select this face and click sketch and just select this line convert entity, and again select this convert entity, select this convert entity, similarly select this convert entity. Now see, now go to feature, choose extrude boss, choose this direction, change, and choose this 0.2 millimeter, click enter. Just click OK. Just go to this, choose this unmatched result, just select OK. Now select the space and click sketch. Now sketch circle on this, click and right click and select OK. Now just go to this, now just go smart dimension, make it 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, click enter, and just go to this point to this, make it 1 millimeter. Similarly this point, this line to this center point, make it 1 millimeter. Okay, and right click, select OK. Go to feature, choose extrude cut, choose this blind 0.2, just click OK. Now see, now go to this linear pattern, choose this linear pattern, select this direction and choose this distance, 2 millimeter distance, number of 18, choose this feature, this is our extrude cut feature. I will make this number of 6, enter, sorry, just see number 5, and just select OK. Now see, OK. Now again go to this linear pattern and choose this direction, will be this direction, and it will be this feature, choose this pattern. Okay, it will be number of 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 will be better, just click OK. Now see, okay, this is the net for this section. Okay, our piston holder is created. Okay, yeah, this is the piston block. I make it completely piston block. Now I will make this piston rod. Just save it, go to this save and click save as, and click save as a name piston block, piston block. Okay, number 012, just save it. Now I will make piston rod. Just go to again new, choose part and click OK. Now choose front plane, click sketch and go to this circle, sketch a circle on this point, right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 20 millimeters, 20 millimeter, click enter. Just click and right click, go to feature and click extrude boss and choose this mid plane and choose this 45 millimeter, click enter and just click OK. Now select the space and click sketch. Now go to the circle, sketch circle on this point, right click and select OK. Now go to smart dimension, make it 30 mm, click enter. And right click and select OK. Now go to feature, extrude boss and choose this blind and choose this 5 mm and choose merge result, click OK. Our piston is created. Just save it, piston rod, OK, 012, just save it, OK. Thank you for watching. I will make this another part for this complete radial piston farm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.